Are you frequently interrupted by notifications while working in Microsoft Office programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others? These pop-ups can disrupt your focus and hinder productivity. Fortunately, there's a simple way to minimize or eliminate these distractions. Let's resolve this issue and create a smoother, more efficient workflow in Microsoft Office. Navigate to this PC and open the C: drive. From there, go to the Program Files x86 folder and select the Microsoft Office directory. Open the folder named Office 15 or Office 16, depending on your installation version. In the search bar within this folder, type OSPPREEARM. Once located, right-click on OSPREARM and select Run as Administrator to execute the process. Close the program and refresh your computer. After refreshing, open any Microsoft Office application, such as Excel or Word. You will no longer see any activation notifications. The software is now fully activated and ready for use.